are very homemade. It's only two that's only slow rising. One of them kind of slow rising, and one a little bit slow rising, and two others that's just not even squishy. You might as well say. And you might as well say that you have all of these ingredients at home. It's just three ingredients: a rubber. I don't have it on me right now. A rubber band or a bow, a pillow, and then cut it open and get all of this stuff out. Like this stuff, I had this type of color. I wish I didn't. I wish I had white or green. So it's my section right here. And I made one out of a big Ziploc bag, a miniature Ziploc bag, and these little things. So I'm gonna go off with the smaller ones and towards the big ones. So I just got this. This is the smallest one. Wrap or something. So say if you had like a candy wrap, you can use a candy wrap. But you gotta I did this with a rubber band, but you can't use it with a rubber band. You can hot glue it, you can tape it, but I wouldn't use tape, or you can staple it. I staple it most of the time. It's not slow rising, but this is the same exact one, but in a different wrap. This is like wrap that you put on top of food, and this is like a wrap that's like and next is this one. This one. Oh my goodness, I need something. This one is kind of slow rising, as y'all can see. Y'all can see that's kind of slow rising. And last but not least is this one. I gotta move back to show y'all this. It's still rising. Like seriously, the homemade squishy day, super slow rising that everybody can make unless they don't have pillow or Ziploc bags or like wrap or something. I feel so bad, but you don't have that. Like super slow rising, especially more than these two. Thank you guys for watching my video.